and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. NCP says all options open for Valpoi by-elections. State President to be announced shortly. Mickey will be back in position if given clean chit. Vishwajit confident of a clean sweep in Valpoi by-election. Says he will neither campaign nor issue advertisements. Bus owners demand hike in bus fare. Threaten token strike on 5th July. Our sacking of Sudhin Daulikar. Sameer Salgaonkar confident of Congress ticket from Mandre. Says will contest and win the Mandre seat. And Churchill brothers will be back in form, says club president Joki Alimau. Former Churchill defender Osman Hussain appointed as assistant coach. And now the news in detail. NCP Goa observer Prakash Binsale has said all the options are open with the party with regards to Valpoi by-polls. Party has postponed declaring the names of the state president and office bearers. Binsale says Mickey Nadia episode has not defamed the party. He has also clarified that if Mickey gets a clean chit, he will be back in his position.
NCP Core Committee meeting was held on Sunday in Panji. The meeting was attended by the NCP Goa observer Prakash Binsale and party office bearers. Binsale mentioned that all the options are open with regard to the Valpoi by-elections. The seat is vacant after Vishwajit Rane resigned as Valpoi MLA.
So let the by-election be announced. All the options for us are open.
So we NCP can contest.
All the options are open. You see this resignation and all, nothing has been discussed from the Congress side with us. So till there is any discussion with the Congress, our options are absolutely open.
Sources in NCP confirmed that the core committee has proposed the name of Jose Philip D'Souza as the party president. Working president as Suresh Parulekar, Ullas Naik, Pandurang Raut and Rajan Gathe. Party will be announcing the names of the office bearers and the state president soon.
At this juncture, I won't be able to tell you anything about the names or anything. But yes, we are discussing the whole issues. We are discussing all angles in which the way we can strengthen the party.
There is no consensus about the president?
There is always a consensus about the president, but we are just not talking only about the presidentship, we are talking about the entire organization as a whole. But we'll definitely, in couple of days, these entire issues will be resolved and will go in a big way to go ahead in Goa and strengthen at all levels.
NCP MLA Mickey Pacheco is underground in Nadia death case. Binsale said all allegations on the Mickey in Nadia death case has not defamed the party. It's Mickey's personal matter. He said Mickey will be back in position if he gets a clean sheet.
मुझे नहीं लगता पार्टी के इमेज पे इस पर कोई परिणाम हुआ है. उन्होंने खुद ने एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके जब उनका नाम इसमें डाला गया तो उन्होंने मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके अपने पद से इस्तीफा दिया है. पार्टी को उन्होंने कहा कि मैं मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूं और मैं इस्तीफा देता हूं. उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया है. तो एक अच्छा मैसेज जो पार्टी का हमेशा रहा है कि जब भी कोई ऐसे वाकया होता है, जब भी कोई एलिगेशंस होते हैं तो पार्टी के जो भी उम्मीदवार चाहे कोई भी राज्य में हो वो रेजिग्नेशन करते हैं, मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हैं. जब उसमें से अच्छी तरह से बाहर आते हैं तो पार्टी उनका सम्मान करती है, पार्टी उनको फिर से उनके स्थान पर रखती है.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
It's a challenge to the united opposition from Vishwajit. Junior Rane is confident of a clean sweep in the upcoming Valpoi Assembly by-election. Vishwajit says he will win the election sitting at home and without any campaign. Rane revealed this in an exclusive chat with our news editor Pramod Acharya in Head-On.
Somewhere it feels that you have joined Congress out of compulsion rather than choice.
There is no question of anybody putting any compulsion on me. And म्हाका तरी दिसलें ते बीजेपीचो मतदारसंघ हांव जर रावंक नाशिल्लो तर बीजेपीची सीट सहज येवपाची. जर मिसेस गांधीन ठरयलें की एका फॅमिलीने एक तिकीट, आय विल गो बाय द पार्टी हायकमांड. हिंदुत्व घेऊन जायना हांगा एकूच आनी समाज जायना. म्हाका दोन्ही गोष्टीचेर एकदम आय हेट बोथ दीज इश्यूज. बट येस, आय हॅव गॉट अ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर फॉर सुदीन ढवळीकर and I will always have it. Politically, we may be in different sides. Tomorrow he may be a minister, he may not be a minister. Tomorrow he may be in alliance. That is not my concern.
खातीर क्लियर करपाचें, तुम्ही G7 बरोबर आशिल्ले ते फक्त सुदिना खातीर आशिल्ले.
Of course.
तुमच्या घरकान्नीक विधानसभेक तुमच्या सायडीन आमदार म्हणून पळोवपाक तुमकां बरें दिसतलें.
फाल्यां जर महिला बिल आयले and परिस्थिती तशी आयली आणि श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी आणि मुख्यमंत्री ठरयले की तिकीट दिवची, आय हॅव नो प्रॉब्लेम.
विश्वजीत राणे इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा इन नेक्स्ट 10 years. डू यू एग्री?
I cannot agree on this at all. I also know that Digambar Kamath will be the chief minister, and as long as Digambar Kamath is the chief minister, my support is to Mr. Kamath.
लोकांक what is the priority when you are now going for the election?
I am not going to propose anything. There is not going to be a single pamphlet that is going to be published, not one advertisement, and nor a office in Walpoi.
Private Bus Owners Association has demanded that the government should increase the bus fare. The association has threatened the government of a token strike on 5th of July if government fails to fulfill their demands.
The Bus Owners Association have a long pending issue of increasing the bus fare. On Sunday, association held a meeting of all the bus owners. They have asked the government to hike the bus fare. The association has threatened to agitate if the demands are not met.
आमी असो ठराव घेतला की येता रे सोमाराक 5 तारखेक एक दीस बंद दवरपाचो. सरकारचे हो जो निर्णय आहा तेचेर निशेध करपाक, आनी खास करून वाहतूक मंत्र्याचो आनी आमच्या एसोसिएशना तर्फे आमी सरकारा कडेन मागणी करता की आयज पासून ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरान आमकां कसलोय हेल्प करूंक ना.
Joint Secretary of the association Prasad Parab says the passengers should demand a ticket from the bus conductors.
आम्ही आसाटी तिकेट घेयना, हेका जबाबदार आमचे प्रवासी. आयज तुम्ही जर पळोवंक वयशात जाल्यार कितकेशेच बशींचे तुम्ही पळया कंडक्टर विदाउट युनिफॉर्मान आसता आनी ते प्रवासी ते कंडक्टराक विचारना बाबा तुजो ड्रेस खंय काय म्हणा, आनी प्रवासी सांगतात पळय बशीन तिकेट दिना म्हणून. तिकेट दिना, प्रवासी मागोन कित्याक तिकेट घेयना? कित्याक प्रवासी पयलींच आपूण तिकेट कमी दिता.
Sudhin Dawlikar had recently commented that bus owners make foolish statements.
जो बस ओनर्स एसोसिएशनान स्टेटमेंट दिला त्या स्टेटमेंटाचो निषेध करता. ताळतंत्र नाशिल्लो स्टेटमेंट हे बस ओनर्स एसोसिएशन दिता. म्हाका अशें दिसता की एक तर ते मॅड जाल्या.
Association is annoyed following minister's comment. The bus owners have demanded sacking of the transport minister Sudhin Dawlikar.
हे जे पळय आयज सगळे असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर आहा ते यमदूता प्रमाणे आयज बसवाल्यां कडेन वागता, आनी सुदीन ढवळीकार ह्या यमदूताचो यमराज जावन आसा. तेन्ना ताका इतलीच मागणी करता की खरो पिसो तूं, आनी तुका तर खरीच तर एक हक्क आहा जाल्यार तूं आयज कितें राजिनामो दी.
The Kadamba Corporation seems surviving solely on government's assistance since its inception. This is the history and the current financial status of the corporation. Details of grants, funds received by KTCL for the period of 1980 to 2010 is more than 14,374 lakhs. The total share capital was 4,889.33 lakhs. Government subsidy 7,491.68 lakhs. Gratuity subsidy 800 lakhs. Under JNNURM grant 385 lakhs. For the construction of bus stand 50 lakhs. Upgradation of the bus stand 238 lakhs. Vehicle subsidy 443.75 lakhs. Facelift of the bus stand 76.61 lakhs, which totals to 14,374.31 lakhs. But astonishingly, the corporation is still running in losses. Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.